Namaste, viewers. It's Monday morning, March 24, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Benchmark indices, the Sensex and Nifty, ended the session on March 21 on an upbeat note, logging in a 5-day winning streak. A stronger rupee, abating FII selling, and recovering information technology stocks from day's lows bolstered sentiment. With the uptick in trade, the Nifty 50 also managed to briefly move past the 23,400 mark for the first time in 2 months, a move that market experts were largely anticipating. The turnaround for Indian equities seen in the past week was also triggered by changing sentiment among foreign institutional investors who turned net buyers in 2 out of the past 3 sessions after a month of relentless selling. At close, the Sensex was up 557 points or 0.73% at 76,905, while the Nifty gained 160 points or 0.69% to end at 23,350. The primary driver of the rally has been FII buying in the cash market over the past 2 sessions, alongside a notable reduction in the short positions and an increase in long positions in the futures market. This shift appears to have instilled confidence among retail investors, leading to renewed buying in the broader market. The result is a smart rebound in mid cap and small cap indices. Adding to the positive sentiment, the Indian rupee logged its 8th consecutive session of gains, further easing pressure on equity inflows. In addition to that, the reasonable valuation of large cap stocks after the market downturn has also strengthened its case among the investor class. SBI Life Insurance, NTPC, ONGC, Bajaj Finance, and BPCL were the top gainers on the Nifty. On the flip side, Trent, M&M, Wipro, Hindalco, and Infosys fell to emerge as the worst hit on the blue chip index. The broader market also garnered strong buying from retail investors, which lifted the Nifty Small Cap 100 and the Nifty Mid Cap 100 indices 1 to 2% higher, outperforming the large cap peers. Mid cap index has also been up for 5 straight sessions, clocking a massive 8% up move. Across the broader market, 11 out of the 13 major sectoral industries ended in positive territory. Nifty Realty led the gains, rallying over 2%, while Nifty Energy, Nifty Bank, Nifty Auto, Nifty Infra, Nifty Pharma, Media, and Nifty PSU Bank each rose about 1 to 2%. Among specific stocks, Bajaj Finance soared to a record high after Managing Director Rajiv Jain was appointed to the board of Bajaj Finserv in an executive role. While Jain will continue to oversee Bajaj Finance, he will also play a key role in the group's expansion into newer sectors, including healthcare, while supporting the transition within its insurance businesses. Bajaj Finserv, the promoter of Bajaj Finance, holds a 54% stake in the 3.25 lakh crore rupees lending firm. Meanwhile, information technology stocks came under pressure following Accenture's lower than expected revenue guidance. As a bellwether for Indian IT firms, Accenture's earnings report is closely watched for insights into the sector's performance. Given that Indian tech firms rely heavily on service exports, Accenture's outlook serves as a critical indicator for the industry's global prospects. Stocks to watch today: Wellspun Corporation, NCC, Mahindra & Mahindra, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Alembic Pharma, Godrej Properties, DAM Capital, Reliance Industries, Apollo Hospital Enterprise, Power Grid Corporation, Allied Blenders and Distillers, Sundaram Clayton, Ircon International, NMDC, Power Finance Corporation, UCO Bank, Larsen and Toubro, Insulation Energy, Hindustan Copper, IFCI, and IIFL Capital Services will be in focus on March 24. What now for today? From a technical perspective, expectations of a sustained bullish momentum were reinforced as the Nifty 50 broke above its 50-day exponential moving average in the previous session on Friday. The Nifty continues to move upward following a falling trendline breakout supported by upbeat sentiment. During the last trading session, the index encountered resistance at the 21-week exponential moving average, which is placed at 23,382. A decisive move above the 23,400 could drive the index higher by another 200 points as the next resistance is at 23,600. A clear breakout about 23,600 might trigger another leg of the rally. On the other hand, failure to move about 23,400 could lead to a near term consolidation. In the US on Friday, all three major US stock indexes registered weekly gains, ending the week in green as President Trump signaled flexibility on tariffs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average led the way for the week, up 1.2%. The S&P 500 rose 0.5%, and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.2%. Brent crude is currently trading at $72.16 a barrel. Gold is rupees 89,210 per 10 grams. Silver is at 98,090 rupees per kilogram. And that's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. You can contact me at st@st-money.com for any further information. I'll see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.